Hey everyone, Newman from 910 Airgun Tuning and Repairs. Today we have an FX Impact and I will be showing you how to put on the Bullet Central carbon fiber tensioner and shroud kit. This is going to be for a 700mm impact with a tensioning clamp, as you may see there. It does have the tensioning clamp, but they do have a kit if you do not have the tensioning clamp and you just have the older single block. So whenever you get the kit, it'll look like this. Essentially, you need to take the silver off the end here. This is your tension nut, just like so. And then your tensioner slides out the middle like that. This is the shroud, this is the tensioner. For the tensioner, you have to find out which end the actual tension nut goes onto. They bore out each end. So it goes in this one. You can see it won't go in that one. So it goes in this one right here. So the first thing will be to slide on the tensioner with the tension nut obviously end facing the end, like so. So just take it, slide it on, take your tensioner, get it started with your fingers, and then you'll see there's a hole drilled through it. So you're going to take a tool and push it through that hole to keep turning it. As for a tool to fit through here, I like to use a 3/32 pin punch, but I believe a 2mm Allen or something like that would work as well, but I'm going to use this punch because it's hardened steel. So just goes through both holes like so. Hold the gun up like this. And kind of just, doesn't have to be super tight. Obviously you don't want to break your tool, but you do want a good amount of torque on there. So see, I didn't bend it at all or anything like that. It's nice and sturdy now. Set that to the side. Grab the shroud. And also to mention, the shroud does have an O-ring inside. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right there. But that's what helps seal against the carbon fiber. But essentially you're just going to take the shroud, start it over, get the O-ring over, and then it just slides on. And then it just threads on just like your normal shroud. Nice and tight. And there you go. You're good to go. So there you have it. There's the installation of the Bullet Central carbon fiber tensioning and shroud kit. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below or shoot me an email at info@910agtrllc.com or head over to the website 910agtrllc.com. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video and happy shooting.